away from the platform edge.
Local 1 train to Rose Street. Next stop is Lincoln Center. That is stand clear.
Is Uptown Local
1 train to Rector Street in 4 minutes.
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Uptown Local 1 train to Rector Street. The next stop is Beverly Road. Stand clear of the doors are closing. Downtown 1 local train. The next stop is Lincoln Center. Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are now closing.
Stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Rector Street bound 1 train. The next stop is Beverly Road. Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Beverly Road.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Away from the platform edge.
Hello there, this is a late discussion. Subway surfing is illegal, dangerous, and can even result in please do not subway surf, in-game or in real life.
This is a Rose Street bound 1 train. The next stop is Lincoln Center.
Inside, stay alive. Thank you.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Away from the platform edge.
And the train.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. Lincoln Center.